Assalamialaikum. How have you been? Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk you about gift. Gift is a very pleasurable things in our life because when we get gift at that time our mind get very happy. So it's very pleasurable. Gift is a very important things in our life, especially when Idul Fitr or Idul Adha comes to our. At that time we exchange gift, and gifts is a traditional system exchanging in our Muslim culture or Bengali culture, because when Idul Fitr comes at that time after Ramadan, we for the 30 days we fast in Ramadan, and then comes our big, as a Muslim, our big festival Idul Fitr comes, and at that time every man who are Muslim, we buy for ourselves new dresses, and at that time we exchange gift to our relatives. And after Idul Fitr, after 2 or 3 months later, Idul Adha comes, and this is another festival of Muslim, and this is the Eid. At that time also we exchange our gift. So gifts is very important in our day-to-day life. You will not find any people who didn't get any gift from her or his relatives, and I think it's hardly to find. Okay, so now come to the point. What is the best gift do I give? Especially I had gifted many types of things, and a few months ago I am gifted a Punjabi, and I think this is the best gift that I have ever received in my life, because it's made by her hand. That's the reason this gift is so special. And in Bangladeshi society, gift to someone when new births, when someone get promotion, at that time they give to their relatives, or when someone going to marriage, and especially when we get an invitation, at that time we give to the host, because then we are invited. That's the ceremony, that's why we present a gift. Bangladeshi culture, we give someone Punjabi shirt or pant, or if I talk about another different level, sometimes we get expensive gift from our relatives, such as father, brother or sister. Whenever you need a new mobile phone or a new computer, at that time they present you as a gift. So it's very excited for all of us who get the gift. So we should practice. So this is for today. We should practice in our home about talking the gift, and we will practice in front of mirror or in our mind. Then we can be better. Then we can improve our speaking skills. So this is for today. See you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.